Menteri Rangba ke Jelau Kurat ke Sangma Ulalek Bani Shimbenta ha ka attestation parin Jong Kabach ke Bahan Riu Jong ki Agnivers ha Assam Regiment Center Happy Valley. Kani ke program kedai ke bala penlong ban ai jeng itu bat pan pediang ya kisamla ki bala pentebit ila di ha ka kam sipai ke bala lifeway tayo bakin long no sipai jong kari. Kila don baro nyospa prapulai ngut ke bala yo ya jeng hikai ke bala pentebit kebakan tup ya arspa nyau pusau ngut ki Agnivir mat sanspa kendai ngut ki Territorial Army ki bala sedang ya kejingyo jenghikai randu ki sitar ku jemang arajar arpusan kini ki Agnivir ki kentup ru ya prangut ki Naga arngut ki Mizo arpongut ki Asmis kat prangut ki Arunachali bat ki wei ki bana keleng ki benta jong katan cetei lami ki don hadu arspa arpun riungot u menteri ulalek ban kemi ibnia ya kaparet ka bakentup ya ka march pas ke jingai ki kusnam bat pentian smai ha ka balawan ban sakiru da ki kmi ki pa jung samla ki bala syajet ki balawan ban sakilang ya ka guraf padak kum sibenta jong ke jingai jingitu ya ke jingno senyang ke jongki syakari
presently Lieutenant General Abhijit S. Thakur after the superannuation of Lieutenant General
Regiment, Mr. Nur Bharat Yoga इसका जरा और आगे लेकर जाएंगे के योद्धा जैसे लक्ष्मण कुमार दुनिया के सर्वश्रेष्ठ डिग्री के कमांडर मिली जाती सभी साइड के लोगों ने समय समय पर अपनी बहादुरी का परिचय दिया है। इसका सबसे बड़ा उदाहरण हमें हवलदार संगप्पन दादा अशोक चक्र
I extend a hearty welcome to you on this special occasion. On a personal note, I do apologize for coming very late for the program. I had a cabinet meeting which I expected the regiment was raised in Shillong on June 15, 1921. Immediately after this raising, this regiment bravely fought against the Japanese during the Second World War and prevented them from entering the country. Since then, the Assam Regiment has always been at the forefront of every task. bringing glory both at home and abroad, not only to the Indian Army, but also to the entire Northeast. It is a matter of great pride that today, after successfully completing your training, you have become an integral part of the Assam Regiment and the Indian Army. This year, the total strength of our tested trainees is 783, including 320 Aghanis and 463 territorial army units. A testament to the remarkable spirit and commitment shown by all present today. All of you will soon join your respective battalions. The life ahead of you is full of challenges. You will perform duty in extreme weather conditions, on high mountains, and in remote border areas. Whenever necessary, you will also assist the civil administration. I expect all of you not to forget the training received here, and by remembering your regiment motto, Assam Vikram, to further raise the name of the Assam Regiment and the Indian Army. You must always remember the core values, the art of the army, which are duty, sacrifice, discipline, and patriotism. These are the hallmarks of a true soldier and flows out of his belief in service before self. I also take the opportunity to congratulate all the parents of the Aghanis on this moment. I am sure that you must be feeling immense happiness and pride after witnessing this magnificent parade today. I also want to tell you that these young men are now ready for every challenge that lies ahead and will achieve even greater success in the future. I congratulate all the award winners during the training. Furthermore, on this occasion, I commend all the instructional staff who have been capable through your training. Finally, I once again congratulate and commend all of you for your good turnout and excellent training.